HLCNC-3319 3-axis CNC stone processing center. The product of Fujian Province Hualong Machinery Company Limited, HLCNC-3319 3-axis CNC stone processing center, is computer numerical control stone processing machine, integrating drilling, milling, profiling, polishing, and other functions. The machine has 3-axis linkage control. The maximum stroke of x-axis is at 350 centimeters, y-axis at 195 centimeters, and z-axis at 32 centimeters. The machine adopts Italian control system, Siemens, Schneider, Highwind, and other international brands of high-quality accessories, with professional design, precise and intelligent production. The machine is featured with good rigidity, simple operation, and high efficiency, saving materials, time and labor, realizing the digitalization and automation during the whole process of stone processing. The production operation process is as follows. 1. Target graphics, data editing and import, 2 ways flexible optional. 1. Office editing, wireless network transmission import. 2. Office editing, U-disk copy and import. 2. Slab fixing, double fixing the slab with vacuum system and aluminum alloy lock. 3. Red laser calibration positioning and determining the processing origin. Turn on the laser, hold the hand wheel to control, adjust the position of the machine head at close range, calibrating the red laser beam to align the edge of the stone to be processed and positioning, and then determine the processing origin. 4. Full automatic processing and automatic tool changing. Press key to start automatic and integrated flow processing. The machine head changes the tool automatically. Complete the product processing automatically. The machine is equipped with 20 tool holders for hanging various tools. This machine is suitable for processing all kinds of special-shaped edge stone panels, such as stone kitchen countertops, bathroom countertops, windowsills, bar counters, dining tables, etc. Hualong Series CNC Stone Processing Center provides excellent processing methods for classical and modern home decoration.